Today we're going to do a UCC filing. Our company, Jaguar Power Sports, does UCC filings for all out-of-state UTVs and ATVs, and every state's a little bit different. You can check out the portal online to see what states require UCC filing and which ones actually require a tag and title. For our products, we do a lot of UTVs and off-road vehicles like ATVs that don't require a registration or a license plate. So every state is a little bit different, so you want to make sure you check your states. But what now we're going to do is a walkthrough process of a UCC for Georgia. Now I know Georgia and South Carolina does not need tag and title, and it just needs a UCC filing. And what a UCC filing is really, this customer did a bank loan, and what they're going to be doing is attaching essentially like collateral, so the bank knows that the filing has been done. They're the registered party. It's almost like a lien. It is exactly like a lien. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the lien to a Georgia UCC filing. Now for Georgia, you can just Google it. It's e-filing portal, and you can set up a portal. It's free. It's very easy to do UCC. I did the same thing with South Carolina. And right here, this is going to be all your active UCCs that are currently in process. You have ones here that show awaiting payment. You have ones that have been accepted with the filing number. You have the activity, ones that have been incomplete, and also ones that have been rejected. Maybe we screwed something up. I just had a rejection on there. So you want to make sure you always are checking this portal to see if it's actually been accepted, because until it's accepted, that lien is not perfected. And our bank, Roadrunner Financial, just sent me a letter saying that this has not been perfected. Went in the system and saw that this one right here was actually rejected because I messed up the last name. So I resubmitted it, and now it's awaiting payment. As soon as I see that it's accepted, it'll be ready to roll. So I'm going to show you how this process works. It takes no more than about 2 minutes. Very, very easy process. So first things first is we're going to go down on their website, and we're going to actually get a blank UCC. So all this is a form. It's going to look like right here. And you're going to go ahead and fill it out. And I actually did one for you. And you're going to see that you're actually going to put in your company's name, your address, your information here. And then you're going to put in the customer's last name, the first name, customer's address and zip code, and then your secured party. So this essentially is the bank's information if you want to lien. You can also be the secured party if you're doing a buy here, pay here, anything like that. It's totally up to you on what you want to be here for the secured party. But for us, we know it's bank owned, so we're going to put the bank's information right here. And then the collateral is 500cc Massimo ATV. That's what the customer bought. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back over to our filing, and right here we're going to click on new filing. Now this is a really, really easy process. What we're doing is we're clicking on the UCC filing, and you're going to pick on the customer's county. So you can just Google a county based on zip code, whatever is easier for you. So we're going to pick up county, so we're going to pick up Berkeley. Click on continue, and then these are all the different type of UCC filings, so you want to make sure you file the correct one. Each one does have a fee attached to it, but for our purposes we do UCC-1, and this is just going to be a secured party like a bank given notice in a personal property of a debtor. Super, super easy, but there are other UCC filings. You want to make sure you use the right one that works for your needs. Now press on the continue button, and now you're going to add a UCC form. And this is where you're going to just select on the UCC filing type. Is this an assignment? No. And then file type, you're going to just click on the customer's information and attach that. And you can just name it whatever the name of the customer is and click on continue. Now what this is going to do is now your filing name. What is the name of the customer? You can just write down whatever you want. So you can, this is what's going to be in your portal. So you want to make sure you identify it by the customer's last name. So for me, it's going to be this. Now this is a made up last name, so make sure that you just make the name of your customer. And you're going to see it's a $25 UCC filing fee. Click on continue, you put your initials, and then you click submit filing. Now what's going to happen is it's now going to show under here as awaiting payment. Now this was a dummy one, as I said, for a fake name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click it and click on cancel. But this is very live. So within a few minutes, someone from the DMV department is actually going to look at it, and then they're going to make notes. They're going to make notes if it's good, bad, ugly, or needs to be canceled, or maybe you screwed something up. But this is a UCC filing. Now within minutes, it's going to actually print off a registration receipt for you, and then it's going to charge your credit card, and you can put it in the customer's file, and your UCC filing is now completely done, ready to go. Now, another one we do quite often is South Carolina. So we just did a South Carolina one right here. And right here, all we're going to do is you can log in, or you can just file a new UCC one right here. You click on File and Search, start a new filing, and just like Georgia, you put in all the customer's information, put in all your information, super easy. Click on the Next, and then this is where you're going to put the customer's information. And what we're going to do is I'll put my information right here, click on Continue, and now this is the secured party type. So this is the bank again. This is Roadrunner Financial. You want to make sure that you have the right information for the bank. So we're going to put in the bank information, New York, New York. I'm just going to pick a couple zip codes and then press Continue. And just like before, oh, the zip code is messed up. So it will tell you when you make a mistake. So we're going to do New York, New York, New York, New York, and zip code 10001. And what it's going to do is now this is your collateral. So this is exactly like the Georgia. So let's just do 2021 Massimo ATV. You can be as specific as you want. You can put a VIN number, totally up to you. Press on Continue, and then you go through all the options, and you can add more notes. Click on Continue again. It gives you a synopsis of accuracy, and then it will take you over to your payment screen. Now this took us only about 2 minutes. Super, super easy, super fast. Now this is just the filing fee. Very, very easy to do. It takes about 2 minutes, but a UCC is going to be required. Now I'm going to drop a link in this video of the state titling requirements for things like personal watercrafts, trailers, snowmobiles, ATVs, ATCs, scooters, side-by-sides, and golf carts. And it's going to have every state, and it's going to tell you if you have to title it or not, and if it needs a UCC, and it'll tell you the years. But you want to make sure you check on your state before you actually do anything, because we actually started out registering everyone under UCC, and we found out things like Florida require an actual title if it could be titled. But some do not, like Georgia and South Carolina. So this is the UCC process for Georgia and South Carolina. Every state is very similar, very easy to do. You can Google it if you have any questions. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you like and subscribe our page for more great content like this. And if you have any questions, my name is Sean. Hope to see you on the next video. Thanks, and have a good day.